Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix one of the most frustrating issues inside Google Nano Banana or Imagine, which is aspect ratio problem.
But don't worry, I've discovered a simple workaround that gives you complete control over your image dimensions without losing quality. By the end of this tutorial, you'll finally be able to create and edit images in Nano Banana with the exact aspect ratio you need, whether it's for thumbnails, banners, presentations, or social posts. Now, here's the trick. Instead of fighting with Nano Banana directly, we'll use a companion tool to generate a blank transparent PNG file with the exact aspect ratio you want. Think of it as giving Nano Banana a perfect frame to work inside. Super minimal and easy to use. You just enter your width and height, or choose a preset like 16:9, 4:3, or 1:1. A preview instantly shows you the transparent canvas dimensions. Once you're happy, hit the download button and you'll instantly get a transparent PNG file named with your chosen size, for example, transparent 1920x 1080 PNG. This file acts as your dimension guide. Simply bring it into Nano Banana as a reference or base layer, and now the AI respects your chosen aspect ratio. It's clean, accurate, and works across any modern browser or device. So instead of wasting time with trial and error, you can now generate images exactly the way you want them, with no more unwanted square crops. Try it out for yourself, and you'll see just how much easier and more flexible Nano Banana becomes when you finally have control over your aspect ratios. All you need to do is attach a transparent image with the aspect ratio you want into Nano Banana. Then guide the AI and you'll get the exact picture in the format you choose.